Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you the automatic cash machine review. 7-minute phone trick scam or legit. Is the automatic cash machine or so-called 7-minute phone trick real or just another scam? Unfortunately, it's a classic get-rich-quick scheme. It claims to turn your phone into a money-making machine in just 7 minutes a day, promising up to $1,000 daily with zero effort, all for a $47 one-time payment. The truth? It's filled with fake testimonials, flashy ads, and no verifiable proof. What you can actually get is a generic digital course about affiliate marketing and social media, not a system that makes money automatically. It's part of a larger scam network using recycled content and emotional tactics to mislead people. If you've already purchased it, request a refund, dispute a charge with your bank, and report it to customer authorities. Always remember, if something claims instant riches for no work, it's too good to be true. Stay smart and don't fall for the hype. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.